Good morning, my dear children. Let us start our class with a prayer. Join your hands, close your eyes. God, my loving Father, help me to study my lessons well. God, help me to behave well. God, keep me, my parents, my teachers, and my friends safe in your hands. Thank you, God. Which system yesterday we learned? Do you remember? Yes, we learned which system? Excretory system. What's the function of excretory system? Excrete means what? To throw out. That is the meaning. And our excretory system help us to remove waste from our body in the form of urine, sweat, and what? In the form of carbon dioxide. Then, today we are learning a new system, nervous system. Which system? Nervous system. N-E-R-V-O-U-S, nervous system. Which are the organs making nervous system? Brain, nerves. Okay? Brain, nerves. And see, if you are touching on a hot pot or hot pressure cooker, you are pulling back your hand. How do you know to pull the hand back? Suddenly you are pulling your hand back. Why it is so? If a stray dog is coming back of you, you will escape. You will try to escape from it. How do you know? Do you know? How does your body know to react against all this? Have you ever thought? എങ്ങനെയാണ് ഇപ്പം ഒരു പിന്ന് നിങ്ങളുടെ കണ്ണിൻ്റെ നേരെ വന്നു അല്ലേ, നിങ്ങൾ പെട്ടെന്ന് കണ്ണടക്കും അല്ലേ, അല്ലെങ്കിൽ നിങ്ങളിപ്പോൾ അടിക്കാൻ വന്നു ആരെങ്കിലും അല്ലേ, അപ്പം നിങ്ങൾ എന്ത് ചെയ്യും? കൈ നീട്ടി കൊടുക്കാറുണ്ട്, പക്ഷെ എന്നാലും വലിക്കാനുള്ളൊരു ടെൻഡൻസി ഉണ്ടല്ലേ. ഇതൊക്കെ എങ്ങനെയാണ് നമ്മുടെ ബോഡി റിയാക്ട് ചെയ്യുന്നതെന്ന് ചിന്തിച്ചിട്ടുണ്ടോ? യെസ്, അവർ ബ്രെയിൻ സെൻഡ് messages are sending from our body through nerves to our brain. Then the brain again send messages to our body to react. So messages are sending through the nerves to the brain and from the brain. Like this, our body knows to react or knows to do what to do in each circumstances or in each condition. And let us listen the text. The brain orders each part of the body what to do by sending messages through nerves. Here you can see a picture, and this is your brain, and it is connected with what? Nerves. Okay, and here you can see spinal cord also. Spinal cord you can see. Then messages from all parts of the body come to the brain through these nerves. For example, when we are tired, our muscles send message to the brain. The brain orders the body to take rest. The spinal cord connects all parts of the body to brain. Then messages are sending to the brain through nerves and from the brain also through nerves. And this spinal cord, okay, the brain orders body to take rest when we are tired. and this spinal cord connects all parts of the body to brain. This is our spinal cord, and see here you can see nerves, and this nerves connected to the spinal cord, and the spinal cord connects all body parts to the brain, and through this brain is able to send messages to all parts of our body and from the parts to the brain also. Like this, our body knows to do what to do. Okay, so this is nervous system, and the brain, the spinal cord and the nerves form the nervous system. Look at the board. The brain, spinal cord and nerves form this nervous system. Name the parts of your nervous system. Brain, spinal cord and nerves form the nervous system. Okay. Then nervous system controls all our activities. And we learned brain controls all our activities. So now we can say our nervous system controls all our activities, and that is learning, thinking and all the actions, all the response what we are taking, that all by this nervous system. That's the function of our nervous system. Name the organs in your nervous system. Yes, brain, spinal cord and nerves. Through nerves, brain sends messages to all parts of your body and from the body to the brain. Okay, like this, brain controls, that this system controls all parts of our body. All actions are controlled by this nervous system. Okay, look at the board, all of you. When your muscles are tired, and this from the muscles through nerves, messages going to the brain, and brain receives that message and again sending the response to the nerves to the body to take rest. Okay, this is the way how the nerves sending messages to the brain and from the brain to all parts of your body. So today all of you learned this nervous system, and multiple choice questions are there. Kidneys and lungs belongs to which system? Yes, excretory system. Then next is, all of you tick excretory system. Next is, which system is formed by the brain, spinal cord and nerves? Nervous system. Now we learned nervous system. And next system is, your next system is reproductive system. All living things reproduce, and we learned. Then there are special organs in the body for producing babies. This is called what? Reproductive system. Reproduce means making their own kind. Babiesine undakkuka. Adana reproduction. Okay. They form the reproductive system. Men and women have different reproductive organs. You will study about this system in higher classes, and in higher classes you will learn in detail about your reproductive system. So what's the function of reproductive system? To make babies, to produce babies. So today all of you study these two systems and read all the systems and learn the poems from the text itself. Okay.